It's Dr. Morgan. It is Monday, July 18th, and I just wanted to record a little preview of the week. This week we're talking about the solar system and the planets. I'm going to try to, and this is hard for me, I'm going to try to keep my videos really short this week, 10, 15 minutes, little introductions to all the planets, and rely more heavily on some outside videos from places like Astrum and PBS Spacetime. There are some really good videos out there about some of the most recent missions to the planets, with much more new and up-to-date information, even than your textbook. So every day there'll be a video from me about a planet, a video from YouTube about a planet. Watch them both, read the textbook chapters, and hopefully over the course of the week we'll get at least a introductory picture of what the planets in our solar system are like. I'm not going to talk about the moons of any of the planets until next week, so we'll go through all the planets. We'll talk about the important moons, moons of Jupiter, moons of Saturn, and the next week we'll also talk about Pluto, which is kind of the odd planet out these days, and things like asteroids and comets, little chunks of solar system that are not as big and important as the planets. So by the end of next week, we should be done talking about the solar system and maybe throwing a little bit in there about the formation of planetary systems, not just our planetary system, but planetary systems around other stars, and how we detect planetary systems around other stars. The other thing that is happening this week is you should start thinking about the topic for your paper. The paper, maybe I'll take a minute here to explain the paper. It's called the NASA Mission Priority Assignment. The idea is, imagine NASA only has enough money to fund one mission to explore the solar system in the next 5 years. And there's a list of possible missions. One is a mission to Mars, to return samples of Mars to the Earth. One is a mission to an asteroid and a comet, to bring back samples of an asteroid and a comet to Earth. One is a mission to Jupiter's moon Europa. One is a mission to Saturn's moon Titan. One is a mission to Pluto and the Kuiper Belt. And these are all imaginary missions that I made up. They don't correspond to real, actual NASA missions. Your job in the paper is to pick one of those missions and defend why we should spend our money on this mission as opposed to all the others. Which mission do you think we have the most to gain from, the most to learn scientifically about the solar system from that mission? And the paper is not super long. I think last semester I made the word limit 2,500 words, so it's about a 4-page paper. Over the course of this week's lectures, you should be thinking about what planets you find the most interesting, and those might be a good choice for your paper. So I will record a separate video just talking about the NASA paper. I will post that assignment early this week. I am right now, like I said, it's Monday. I'm a little behind on editing and posting my videos. I hope to have today's video on Mercury and maybe one on Venus, and one on just an overview of the whole solar system. I hope to have those up by like noon-ish today. And then I'm also going to record Tuesday's video, so those will be up today. And then I'll try to get ahead and stay ahead for the rest of the week. So that's it for me. I will, I'll see you guys in the first video that I post to YouTube today.